What is God teaching me namhlanje? I'll go first. uThixo is reminding me ukuthi I am human. And as it's the situations that I come across that remind me that I am a human being. But the twist is when I know ukuthi ndingumntu kabani. I may be a human being, but ndingumntu kabani. And impendulo obviously izothi ndingumntu kaThixo. And umntu kaThixo resembles God's character. Umntu kaThixo has characteristics of uThixo. If you let uyaphi. You know, sometimes there's situations that will put you in a compromising state. Sometimes there's situations that will force you to act out of character. And I realized that the situation is putting me in a very compromising situation. And this will land good, but umntu bendimthembile phaya kule ndawo endisebenza kuyo unfake under the bus, and ndihamba naye la sisi xa sigodukayo sibuya sizendlini, ndihamba naye apha endleleni, and enomandi ndiyacinga uba yazi ndinomsindo but ndizoyenza njani le nto. And you know, back in the day ndiyazazi I would have confronted the situation, but you know, xa uhamba noThixo zikhona ezinye izinto ezidinga i-reaction yakho. Ndifunda ku-Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 9 ithi, be not hasty in your spirit to be angry, for anger rests in the bosom of fools. Ezinye versions zithi, do not be quickly intimidated, for anger rests in the bosom of fools. Ecclesiastes namhlanje undibize a fool. In fact, even Proverbs, I don't know Proverbs bani, even Proverbs says, if you are quick to anger, you are a fool. That is what God was teaching me namhlanje. But if you are quick to anger, you are a fool. Zikhona ezinye izinto ofanele awuzihoyi. Zikhona ezinye izinto that deserve a-reaction yakho, that ezinye izinto that do not deserve a-reaction yakho. James chapter 19 verse 1, okay, James chapter 1 verse 19, it says, my dear brothers, take note of this. Everyone should be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry. Do you know why we are called Christians? Do you know why we are called the sons and the daughters of the Most High? It's because we should have a characteristics of kaThixo. Oh yes, the persecutors wabathandazela wathi, Lord, forgive them, for they do not know what they are doing. But when umntu xa nginyathela icons, number one, abandazi mna. You know, I'm thinking nje ukuthi yo Thixo, you know what? Thank you, because I would have reacted ngendlela benzozisola ngayo ekugqibeleni. But what I'm realizing is that when you are in this journey with God, when you are having an encounter with God over and over again, uThixo uyayiklina inhliziyo yakho, uThixo uyasiklina isimilo sakho. You become a changed person. When you are quickly intimidated, when you are quick to anger, you are a fool. You are a fool when you are quick to anger. When you quickly react to things, you are a fool. Especially when someone has wronged you. When you quickly react to that situation,